Bestie, it's raining like crazy.
It's flooding downtown.
Oh my god, it is?
Let's go upstairs.
Okay,
Let's just take a nap.
I don't want to be up. I don't want. We can't! It's the middle of the day!
We can take a nap.
No, we can't.
That's what naps are for.
No, Bestie, we
Go to
can't.
your room.
I'm not your little sister. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today it's storming like crazy. It's flooding downtown. Oh my gosh, I'm freaked out. And this is a total roleplay. And here's my bestie. I have no clue why she's in a Barbie look right now.
We're supposed to be Barbie girls.
No, we're not.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna change. I guess. I don't know. Hey, how did that happen?
I don't.
I don't like that storming.
Me neither. I think it's creepy.
I don't know. I'm gonna go get changed into my pajamas.
Why?
I'm gonna get pajamas. I'm gonna get changed in my pajamas.
Okay.
Get out of my room, why don't you? Just got changed and we just got a severe thunder alert. There was a severe alert on my phone, guys. I'll show you. My best friend is just trying to cheer me up. So we're on vacation right now, and there's a severe thunder alert. What are you doing? Anyways, oh my gosh, we're on vacation, and we're getting so much alerts that there's a severe flooding and alert. You want to fight with me? 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 I'll fight with you. I'll fight with you. I'll fight with you. Stick you with my phone. Hey, can you make us some food? Because I'm actually very scared right now.
Yeah.
And plus, you're taller than me. Why are you doing?
Sure.
Why do you?
I'm taller.
I'm shorter.
I'm bigger.
I'm smaller.
I'm smarter.
I'm not falling for that.
It's so funny though. I'm not falling for that.
Okay, fine. I guess I'll make food.
No! You don't know how to cook!
Where's the flippin'? Oh, it's up here.
I'm already in the kitchen. I'm doing the worm.
You're doing the Sasquatch dance. Okay, so anyways, guys, look at this warning. It is an alert saying do not come out of your houses. Good thing we don't live down there because we would be like so close to the flood. Like in an apartment. Oh, God. It's almost to the flippin' bridge. It's almost to the bridge. Look, it's almost to the bridge.
Is it just gonna keep going?
I guess until it stops. But it's not going to stop until in like 2 days. Are you crying?
No. Listen, here, take your juice.
Why are you Baby Alan?
I'm Baby Melon. Take your juice.
Why do you have little mermaids on your thing? No, you're not. Oh, then you're younger than me. Is that true?
Yeah.
I like this voice changer app because look, you can change your app, right? Yeah, because we can change our voices to sound like little. What?
Here.
Oh.
That's all you're getting for dinner because I
What's
suck at cooking.
My gosh, the thunder's crazy outside.
I have to go to the supermarket.
No, don't go in our PJs. Fine, I'm gonna come with you. Just don't.
Yeah.
Okay,
Why have you changed?
Okay, I'm gonna go change. a good chance. Coming. I'm coming. Why did you just fall on the ground? Did I smack you like those people did to me? Wait, let me hit you. Let me hit you.
Do the hit motion.
Wait, let me do it. That's what you get for trying to go to the supermarket. Okay, let's go. My gosh, it's raining out here. I'm gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna go grab my umbrella really quick, okay?
Okay. We'll grab mine.
Okay, it's over here.
Mine's over here.
Got
By
mine.
the door.
I got mine. Ooh.
Let's go.
Okay. Wait, we have to get in your car. You didn't.
Hold up.
Okay, it's at the garage, I guess?
What color car do you want?
I don't care what car we get. Guys, I am actually really afraid to go to the supermarket. It's because, look, there's a severe alert, and I know I said this a lot, but...
I'm holding the umbrella. You don't need yours.
Okay. And there is a severe alert, which I already said, but still, I don't want to go in this storm because, it's an alert. And you know how I'm scared of storms a lot. What? What? Wait. What? Oh my gosh, look at that.
Fail. What happened to that car?
Oh my gosh, it looks like Barbie's car. Why is there Barbie land in the billboards?
I don't know why.
I don't know.
It's so flooded. I can barely drive.
Well, I'm the sissy. I don't want that. I'm a bestie. I can't even say my words right.
Come on, get in. Get in this door.
How is there flooding inside here?
I don't know. Why do they keep the doors open? I'm getting Doritos.
Okay, I'm gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream.
Coca-Cola.
Ice cream. I need some ice cream. You got it with me. I need some chippy. Ah! Okay, I need some candy. Water. Okay, I got everything I need.
Okay, we have to get everything.
There's fruit. I don't want to eat the baby. One sec. Why, Bobby? What? Sorry.
Wait, can I be your mom?
No.
Why?
No, I struggle. Whenever I'm in a storm, I struggle with my words, okay? That's just a coincidence. Let's go. I'm going to be in the car.
Okay. I put your umbrella by the door.
I grabbed it already. So, guys, I'm actually really freaked out because, like, oh my gosh. My gosh, it's getting worse. We have to go now. It says now it's going to get even worse and it's going to rise to the bridge. Bestie, I know I'm shorter than you, but please drive correctly.
I'm trying. It's hard to turn in this mush.
Imagine if you spread over your baby.
Good.
Oh! Oh my gosh,
Oh my God, that was a baby.
No, there wasn't a baby. Stop joking around, bestie.
Tired.
Wait, that's supposed to break your car. Did it break your car?
No, my car's fine.
We got going. Okay, let me put my umbrella right here. Okay. Okay, guys, we just made it in time before the severe flood happened. Let's see how worse it gets over the times. Okay, so yeah, I'll come back to you in an hour. Hello, everyone. So yes, this storm is terrible. This storm is terrible. It's thundering like non-stop. Like it's crazy.
Yeah.
it's storming so
Izzy.
bad.
Knock, knock.
What? Where are you?
you? Oh, I was in your room.
Oh, I'm gonna turn on. I turned on the TV. Is
I
there
can
going to
hear
be
you.
a power outage?